I want to show you something. This flower. Look. This is a herbal too. You know? Herbal. This one, see? I wanna try to eat this one. The taste is a bit sweet. What the taste is? Pait. Pait siya pero tamis-tamis kamay. Dami. Dami siya. Mura kong nabuang ano dito. Tilaw. Ang nilamaw ko ni uban nga nakatambal sa cancer kani puti. Okay? So it's good for your health, but we don't know. It's good to consult your doctor, right? Just only this one is for herbal. But the taste is sweet and a little bit pait. Ako. This more. Okay, bye-bye.